Welcome to crossblogxtv. On our channel, you know how we do it. We bring you celebrity gossips, relationship, celebrity news, discussions, lifestyle, entertainment news. If you're new on our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, please. And if you like our video as well, please don't forget to like and share, and always check your notification button down below here and drop your comment as well. I want to know if I'm engaging with you. Thank you. Today I'll be talking about one of the ex-queen of Ogunwusi, a beautiful, intelligent, hardworking, very classy, very reserved private lady. Her name is wuraola Zynab Obaino. She was a former queen of Ooni of Ife, Oba adeyeye enitan Ogunwusi. The couple got married in 2016, and their marriage didn't really last long because there was so many turbulence. We all know how marriage is. No marriage is perfect, except the one Lord says, look, you guys are going to be together forever, you know. And in 2017, wuraola filed a divorce, and everything was finalized by August 2017. And since then, they never had any kids together, and people actually thought, what's going to happen to Queen wuraola? What kilo mashelesi? Is she just going to be blanked out like that? Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Drop your comment down below. What do you think? This is a very interesting news and update that a lot of women will learn from here. So let me go back. So now, when wuraola left the palace, a lot of people thought, what's going to happen to her? Bobo Shakaret, and all that, not knowing that this intelligent woman had so many NGOs going on. She was out there supporting people, especially women and children, even during COVID-19. Do you know that wuraola was giving out 10,000 naira each to each family? Over 10,000 people. She gave over 100,000 people. She gave 10,000 naira. Do you guys know what that amount is? Then, when we had that COVID-19 pandemic, that everything was, was up and down. Everybody was scared what's going to happen. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Olori wuraola, she's really doing well. She's a philanthropist. She's a very classic lady. I'm going to play you a couple of her pictures. You can see in these pictures that she loves dressing very classic, elegant, and she carries expensive bags as well, likes of Emmys. She likes designer bags, even Chanel. She carries Chanel's, Emmys, name it, all the brands. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Drop your comment down below. And a lot of people complain a lot that she doesn't smile, that she's always like her face is strong like a soldier. But well, everybody have their own ways, the way they deal with things, the way they do in public, and 5 years now, 5 years, they've all gone separate ways. Wuraola went a separate way. Ooni of Ife went a separate ways. We know after then Ooni of Ife got married to Queen Naomi then, and everything went on. And then Olori wuraola, she moved on with her life. Olori wuraola moved on with her life, and she believes so much in she says she's going to try, on a mission to make the world a better place, and she said her accomplishment speaks for themselves. Does that means she's a woman of honor? She knows what she's doing, and her hard work. She said everything is about hard work and God's grace. Yeah, true. That's true. But what about she lying? No, tolomba ti fún wa ní oore ọ̀fẹ́, gbogbo ẹ̀ ló máa work out nice. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. She also said that she has strong network of world leaders, global influencers that have invested on her platform, humanitarian efforts, implementing policy for advancement of women and children. Wuraola really care about women and children, because even when she was at the palace, she had the foundation as well, going looking after women and children. That is really a good thing, because a lot of NGOs these days, they really care for women and children, because we know that women and children are very fragile. Yeah, they need to be taken care of. We are not as strong as men. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop your comment down below. What do you think? What do you think about Queen Zainab and her newfound love and new home? And so things There are things that people don't really know about Wuraola Zainab Otiti. I think she's a very, very lucky woman to an extreme. Yeah, to an extent. She's very lucky. Drop your comment down below. What do you think? Wuraola once dated a governor. Wuraola got married to a Lebanese rich man. Wuraola, this same Olori Wuraola, got married to a king. And this same Olori Wuraola got married to an Arab prince. We all know what it means to get married to an Arab prince in Dubai. Gbogbo wa la mọ̀ pé àwọn Arab ló gbówó ayé lọ́wọ́. We know that. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop your comment down below. What is your take on Queen Zainab Wuraola? Kí ló wà behind it? A lot of women have done prostitution. Àwọn èèyàn ti ṣaṣẹ́wó gan, wọ́n ti ṣolóṣó. Wọn ò fẹ́ governor rí, débi pé wọ́n máa fẹ́ senator rí. But this lady, I don't know where she's from. I think all these Edo women, there's something about you guys I don't understand. You people are, in a way, your women are special in a way. It's like you're a go-getter. And even in the industries, let's branch the industries now. Most of the Edo ladies in the industry, they are doing well. Please drop your comment down below. What do you think? Only Wuraola have dated prominent people like this. And now we hear that she's living a luxury life in Dubai. Can you imagine? She left Ooni of Ife, Ogunwusi, relocated to Qatar, met an Arab prince. She relocated to Qatar, met an Arab prince, got married, had a baby bouncing girl. Kí la feel pé irú ayé wo la robo ń live yẹn náà? Drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Gbogbo àwọn èèyàn mi ti ń ṣaṣẹ́wó láti 1960. Wọn ò tí ní kọ́tà nǹkan tí Wuraola ní. So I believe when God writes your story, sometimes the story only need tragedy, koni kolokolo, but the ending is always good. When God is involved on your case, He does it in a miraculous way. And Emma Wo, she was with a governor, it didn't last. She doesn't have any kids. She was with the Lebanese man, won't be more, won't share anything. Now with Ooni of Ife, won't be more, share anything. Finally, a bus stop now. We pray it's going to be a bus stop, yeah. Because that woman is a go-getter. I want top people who man love fun. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop your comment down below. Kí lẹ feel lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Olori Wuraola Zainab Otiti Obaina? What do you feel on her? Kí lẹ feel? We need to call her to give us recipe. As in, she needs to tell us the step. Àbí bóyá ọṣẹ kan wà láti ṣe ni, àbí a máa lọ bá àwọn Edo sister. If Edo sister on my platform, on this Edo sister wey dey wey be our subscriber, abeg cut soap for us o, because e be like say na no way now, because na sister dey runs things now. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop your comment. I want to read from you guys. What do you think? Should we all look for the soap our Edo sister Wuraola is using, abi the Edo sister wey dey our platform here? If you can tell us the recipe wey we fit mix together, just to be influential, can meet our big boys. Nobody want to die poor. We want to mingle with the big boys. Everybody share balabala. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to check your notification button for all our updates. Thank you so much. Thank you for your comments, the positive, the negative. Please drop your comment down below. And if you love my video, please subscribe. Subscribe to our channel. We always give you details. I will can jump. I'm for any details. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Thank you. Cheers.